Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to mass unfollow people on Instagram. It's a really great application I'm going to show you guys that you guys can just log into and you're able to mass unfollow people instead of just having to scroll down the list and click unfollow with each one. So this will be a way to mass unfollow people all at once. Really easy and simple to do. So you're going to head over to the App Store and you're going to want to search for InstaClean. Just like that, and this application right here, Cleaner for Insta, you can just download this, and then once it's downloaded, you just want to open it up. You're gonna have to sign into yours. I've already signed in to my account here. What's great about it is you could just click on a couple at a time if you want to, then click on Action and click on Unfollow, and it says mass unfollow 3 users. You click yes, and as you guys can see, they're now unfollowed. So you can do it like that, or you can click on Quick Select and click on Select All, or you can click on Quick Select and select Non-Followers. So there's a lot of different options that you can use, and then you can just click on Action and Unfollow as well. Now, as you guys can see, 27 accounts are just being unfollowed right now. Really easy to do. This application is really great. I've used it multiple times. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.